Hey everyone, it's Julie. Today we'll be making hot chocolate French toast. These were delicious and I wanted to share it with you guys, so let's get started. In case you're wondering where I got the idea for these, some pancake house by my house. I wish I lived in a pancake house. They make these, but they add chocolate syrup. I don't like that. All right, you're going to need some eggs, and the exact recipe will be over on my website, cookbyjulie.com, which I'm super thrilled that you all have been visiting and leaving sweet comments over there. All right, so I added some milk, heavy cream, and unsweetened cocoa powder, some vanilla extract, and that's it. Oh, and a little bit of sugar. I don't add sugar to regular French toast, but you definitely need it in these because the cocoa powder is unsweetened. And I believe that the Pancake House by my house, they call these hot cocoa French toast, but I like to call them hot chocolate. Sounds better, which is ironic because I don't like chocolate syrup. But yeah, it's a better name. I used a sweet butter brioche bread. You may use challah bread, but try to use a thicker cut of bread versus a thinly sandwiched bread slice. The custard is on the thicker side, which is good. It's how I like it. After dipping the bread in the custard on both sides for a couple of seconds, you then want to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side with some butter. And these are going to have a dark color to them, but that's just how it is because of the cocoa powder. I did say that I don't like chocolate syrup. I mean bottled chocolate syrup. I do like chocolate ganache and melted chocolate. Everyone knows I love chocolate cake too. These were so good. They're perfect for get-togethers, brunch with your friends. That's a get-together. Valentine's Day. Don't even say these look like burnt toast because I'm going to get mad. JK, I'm not sensitive. All right, I sprinkled, not sprinkled, I guess I sprinkled a little powdered sugar over the top, some mini marshmallows. Whipped cream would be great. Chocolate ganache, awesome. Bottled chocolate syrup, not so great. But if you enjoy that, that works too. Definitely some maple syrup. If it's warm, even better. But no, I just used regular maple syrup, didn't warm it up. But they were so good. Definitely give these a try. Also, if you do not like the color on these, you may use white cocoa powder. One of my subscribers recommended using it. I've never used it, but I definitely plan on in the future when I find it. So yeah, definitely give these a try. Let me know if you do, and I want to thank you all so much for watching.